Google Classroom had its big update over this past summer, changing the look and kind of functionality of how it works for you guys. And I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of another update as they've been making some small changes throughout the year. And this one I think is probably pretty useful for anyone who's been using Classroom pretty extensively. So when you go to the Classwork section and have your variety of assignments or announcements or class materials, even the entire section like here, you might divvy it up by homework, by unit, whatever works for you. What Google has added is the ability to quickly grab an entire section and move it, a single assignment, and move it either between sections or within a section, and basically just reorder things so that you can put things that are most important at the top, especially as you start to accrue a lot of materials. You'll find that those things, tend to get buried near the bottom of that stream in classwork. And now with a really quick grab and drag, you can move it all the way to the top so that your students are ready to go and see where it is. So if you didn't know that you could do that, now you know. Go ahead and grab, drag, and drop any of your sections or specific assignments in the classwork section.